Welcome to this new episode of the AI Automation series. What if your next YouTube video could plan itself? In this episode, we're building a scalable workflow using ChatGPT, Zapier, and Google Sheets. Fully automated, zero coding. We will be using AI to help you get YouTube videos ideas. Don't go away! This system turns a single topic into multiple content ideas, formats them for YouTube, and even sends your scripts where you need them. Forget all that heavy and tedious work. You will be getting all the ideas and info you need, where you need it. You will just have to worry about editing. Let's break it down. First, add a topic to your Google Sheet. Next, Zapier sends it to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT returns a video title, description, and bullet points. Last, Zapier updates your sheet with the results. From topic to title in seconds. Here's a real example. Let's run it with this topic. How AI helps small businesses. In seconds, ChatGPT gives us engaging title, snappy description, talking points for your script, visuals ideas, B-rolls, and more. Zapier stores the results in your Google Sheet, ready to copy into CapCut, Notion, or wherever you script your content. This workflow builds YouTube content while you sleep, making it possible for you to just enjoy your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episode.